Presented by Aditya. Applications of linear inequalities. First, apartment rent qualification. Let us take an example. Emma just got a new job and her monthly income will be $5,265. To qualify for renting an apartment, her income must be at least 3 times the rent. We set up an inequality. 5,265 should be less than 3R, where R represents the rent. Solving for R, we find that Emma will qualify for a maximum rent of $1,755. Another example, petrol pump. Imagine you have $20 to spend on petrol. If each liter costs $4, how many liters can you buy? The inequality becomes 4G should be less than or equals to 20, where G represents the number of liters. Solving for G, we get G should be less than or equals to 5. Hence, you can buy up to 5 liters of petrol within your budget. Production constraints. A factory produces 2 types of widgets, standard and deluxe. The production processes requires at least 10 hours of labor for 10 hours of labor for standard widgets and 15 hours for deluxe widgets. Let X be the number of standard widgets and Y be the number of deluxe widgets. The inequality system is 10x plus 15y should be less than or equals to t, where t represents the total available labor hours. Now, dietary plannings. A nutritionist designs meal plans for clients to meet daily protein requirements. She must ensure that the total protein intake is at least 60 grams. Let P represent the protein content in grams from different food sources. The inequality is P1 plus P2 plus P3 should be greater than or equals to 60. Now, budgeting for gifts. A family plans to buy holiday gifts. Each family member's gift should cost no more than $50. If there are n family members, the inequality is n times 50 should be greater than or equals to B, where B is the total budget. Now, why was the equal sign so humble? Can anyone answer it?
No.
The answer is in the last. I will tell you later. Now, let us talk about some mathematicians. Moskin's father, Leo Moskin, a Ukrainian Jew, went to Berlin at the age of 13 to study mathematics. He pursued university studies in the topic and was accepted as a graduate student by Leopold Ronker, but left the field to work for the Zionist movement before finishing a desertion. Here is a photo of Theodore Moskin. Now, in the 19th century, Fourier proposed the idea of constructing a mathematical theory for system of linear inequalities. Shortly thereafter, Farkas developed a theory of system of linear inequalities with respect to analytical mechanics that led to Farkas' lemma. Here is Fourier. The answer is because he knew he wasn't less than or greater than anyone else. So never feel that you are less than or greater than anyone else.